Sir, it's my proud privilege to welcome the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, for this event, sir, which is nothing short of creating history today, sir. 16 medical colleges, 7,880 crore rupees. This program would be like a dream for any chief minister in the country, sir. Few years down the line, the students of AP would be remembering this day, sir, when they won't have to go outside the state for medical college admission, sir. Further few years down the line, sir, there won't be a situation in AP where we don't have adequate trained manpower and adequate tertiary care facilities in the state of AP, sir. If I were to list out, sir, the achievements of the Honorable Chief Minister and the government in the last 2 years in the field of medical and health, it would take at least an hour, sir. Suffice it to say, sir, that several of your decisions are actually taken as an inspiration by several other state governments, sir. For instance, your decision, sir, to vaccinate 45 years plus only to begin with, your idea that the IPR issue pertaining to Bharat Biotech Covaxin should be settled to generate more production capacity in the country, your idea to go for global tenders for vaccination, sir, your idea to assist kids who have unfortunately lost parents in the COVID situation, sir, your idea, sir, to set up oxygen plants in the private hospital, which recently I am told even Delhi High Court has directed the government to implement in the state of Delhi, sir. All these decisions are examples, sir, which are worth emulating all over the country. In fact, sir, the Honorable Chief Minister's decision to have 6 hours of full economic activity and then 18 hours of curfew with certain guidelines was widely appreciated, sir. In fact, there were a couple of media who initially tried to oppose the decision and subsequently realized the merit of the decision. And we have actually proved and settled an example where the COVID graph can be reversed with a very, very humanitarian approach where no poor person suffers on account of the decision of curfew, sir. Sir, all over in the last 2 years of the administration, sir, whenever it comes to the medical and health department reviews and discussion, all of us are activated only by one advice of yours, sir, that whenever we go to a hospital, the poor man should get similar treatment as we expect of any hospital, sir. All the hospitals should be of that standard and the approach should be that humane approach, sir. So it's actually a proud privilege for all of us to be working in the department under your leadership, sir. I also welcome our Deputy Chief Minister and Minister for Medical, Health, Family Welfare and Medical Education, sir. Similarly, I welcome all the honorable ministers who are present in different parts of the state for the foundation stone laying program, sir. I welcome all other honorable public representatives who are participating in the program. I welcome all the public, all the medical fraternity present in the program, sir. I welcome Chief Secretary, sir, and all other colleagues and officials present in the program, sir.